Hi guys, this side Chetan Padmishali, and I am basically a chartered accountant from Ahmedabad. And I joined this wealth mastery program in last month only. It's been 1 month now. I am into this program, and some of the assessment I have done after 1 month, and I have realized some of the points. And one of the biggest point is, yes, I am able to break my main two limiting beliefs. And first was regarding to my money, and second was relating to my career. First was like money. Yeah, that was some always a thought in my mind कि if I keep my money in my saving account, it will be wiped out by like anything. It will be wiped out here and there. But now, after understanding the PMDS PM system shown by the Mitesh sir and Indu ma'am, yes, I have now properly managed my money now. And second, relating to career, yeah, that was one of the limiting beliefs was कि basically I don't belong from any business background, so I was always thinking I don't carry that kind of skills, closing skills required to close the person. But now I have understood that it does not require anything. It requires only passion to do something. So, and with that, or उस पे भी attended one of the sales techniques by Mitesh sir. I understood a lot of things in that way. Second, if I talk about, yes, it's been, I have created my wealth goals, and it's been uh, I have set for 2 lakhs rupees a month as a passive source of income, which I'll be able to achieve in next 6 years. This is my wealth goal. I started using PMDS PM system. It's very amazing technique. Now I don't spend anything without checking my Excel sheet. Without checking, I don't spend. That's the cap I have set for myself now. In this month, my investment or saving is approx 16% of my total income. 16%. And yes, and then I'm just right now thinking to multiply my savings also, how to multiply it. And I'm looking for liquid funds also, how to multiply. But yeah, now I've got a lot of clarity how to invest money so that I can earn more from my investment also. Then yeah, till now I haven't earned money, but yeah, I have two closings on hand. And from the conviction of selling, I can tell, yes, I can close two sales in this month only, and I'll be able to earn approx 50,000 a month. And I created three additional source of income. First, I started with affiliate marketing. Second, I started with FD, and third, I started my online course. I am working on it, and yes, soon it will be coming. Yes, for affiliate, I did two sales also, but it was a very few amount of sales. But yes, I started with that also. And return of investment, if I talk about on this wealth mastery course, it's like amazing. And it's it's like if I'm able to close the sales of like in the two sales only, I'll be able to earn 50,000. So it's a 500% return from this wealth mastery course. Simple. So thank you so much, Mitesh sir and Indu ma'am, for guiding me and making me understand a lot of principles and a lot of things about this wealth creation and this frequency mindset. So thank you so much for this. Thank you.